Welcome back. Today, we have an exciting topic that is both simple and incredibly beneficial: walking. Walking is an innate ability that humans have relied on for centuries, and it continues to be an essential part of our daily lives. In this episode, we'll explore the remarkable health benefits of walking and share why it should be a regular part of your routine. So, let's get started. The health benefits of walking. Walking may seem like a simple activity, but its impact on our health is truly remarkable. Let's dive into the various benefits that walking offers. 1. Physical fitness. Regular walking improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and increases endurance. It's a great way to engage in low-impact exercise that suits people of all fitness levels. Walking also helps with weight management by burning calories and boosting metabolism. 2. Mental well-being. Walking has proven benefits for mental health. It releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones, which can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. Taking a walk in nature or a scenic location can have additional calming effects and improve overall mood. 3. Improved cognitive function. Studies have shown that walking can enhance cognitive function, including memory, attention, and creativity. It increases blood flow to the brain, promotes the growth of new neurons, and may even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. 4. Disease prevention. Walking regularly can lower the risk of various chronic diseases. It helps control blood pressure, reduces the risk of heart disease and stroke, and improves insulin sensitivity, thus lowering the chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Walking has also been associated with a reduced risk of certain cancers, such as breast and colon cancer. Incorporating walking into your routine. Now that we understand the incredible benefits of walking, let's explore some practical ways to incorporate it into our daily routines. 1. Start small. If you're new to walking or have a sedentary lifestyle, begin with shorter walks at a comfortable pace. Gradually increase the duration and intensity as you build stamina. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity walking per week, as recommended by health experts. 2. Make it enjoyable. Walking doesn't have to be a monotonous task. Find ways to make it enjoyable and engaging. Listen to your favorite music, audiobooks, or podcasts while walking. Explore different routes and discover new places in your neighborhood or nearby parks. You can also invite friends or family members to join you for a walk, turning it into a social activity. 3. Integrate walking into your routine. Look for opportunities to walk throughout the day. Instead of taking the elevator, opt for the stairs. Park your car a bit farther from your destination to add some extra steps. If feasible, consider walking or cycling for short errands instead of driving. These small changes can accumulate significant walking time. 4. Set goals and track progress. Setting goals can help keep you motivated. Start with realistic targets and track your progress. Use a fitness tracker or smartphone app to monitor your steps, distance, and calories burned. Celebrate milestones and achievements to stay motivated on your walking journey. Safety tips for walking. Before we continue, it's essential to discuss some safety tips to ensure a safe and enjoyable walking experience. 1. Choose safe routes. When planning your walking routes, opt for well-lit, pedestrian-friendly paths or sidewalks. Avoid busy roads with heavy traffic whenever possible. If you're walking in the dark, wear reflective clothing or use a flashlight to make yourself more visible to drivers. 2. Wear comfortable shoes and clothing. Invest in a pair of supportive and comfortable walking shoes that provide proper cushioning and arch support. Wear lightweight and breathable clothing suitable for the weather conditions. Dress in layers to adjust your attire as needed during your walk. 3. Stay hydrated. Bring a water bottle with you, especially on longer walks or during hot weather. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining your energy levels and preventing dehydration. Sip water regularly throughout your walk to replenish fluids. 4. Be aware of surroundings. Stay alert and be aware of your surroundings while walking. Avoid distractions like texting or using headphones at high volumes, as they can compromise your awareness of potential hazards or approaching vehicles. If you need to use your phone, stop walking momentarily to ensure your safety. Walking tips for different environments. Now, let's explore some specific tips for walking in different environments and situations. 1. Walking in urban areas. When walking in urban areas, be cautious at intersections and crosswalks. Observe traffic signals and wait for the appropriate time to cross the road safely. Stay on designated sidewalks and watch out for uneven surfaces or obstacles. If there are no sidewalks available, walk facing oncoming traffic. 2. Walking in nature or trails. When walking in nature or trails, be mindful of the environment. Stick to designated trails to preserve natural habitats and protect yourself from potential hazards. Wear appropriate footwear and clothing for outdoor conditions. Consider carrying a map, compass, or GPS device if exploring unfamiliar trails. 3. Walking in extreme weather. In extreme weather conditions, take extra precautions. In hot weather, walk during cooler parts of the day, wear sunscreen, and bring a hat or umbrella for shade. In cold weather, dress warmly in layers and protect exposed skin. Be cautious of icy or slippery surfaces to prevent falls. That concludes our discussion on the benefits of walking and how to incorporate it into your routine. Remember, walking is a simple yet powerful activity that can positively impact your physical and mental well-being. So, put on those walking shoes and take a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Happy walking! Thank you for tuning into our show. We hope you found these insights valuable. Stay tuned for more health and wellness tips in our upcoming episodes. Until next time, take care and keep walking.